It's week 13 edition. So, last week we played the Redskins. Our defense did great, as expected from me. Our offense was, it was okay. We need to step it up, offense. We need Kaepernick to stay in the center, but our center needs to give it to Kaepernick good. He needs to grab the ball and give it to him good. That's why we always have the fumbles on that spot. Alright, so next time, we need to give it to Gore. Our team is a running team, especially with Gore when he runs it down the middle. We also got to give it to our factor, Vernon Davis, which we haven't been giving him to because, because we always give it to Bolden. Also, good play, Bolden. Good job on getting out of that tackle. Well, I think it was 4 people or 3 people, I think. I'm not sure. I'll look it up later and put it in the comments below. I mean, in the description. So, let's get ready for the Seahawks game, which is going to be the scariest game of them all. Because we have Russell Wilson. He runs the ball. Also, our defense needs to stop him from running. Because that's our mistake. We don't stop Russell Wilson. Or, we need to keep making interceptions on the Seahawks. Yeah, I call them the Seahawks because their whole team sucks big time. They're a horrible team. I hate them. We have to destroy them on Thanksgiving. And we're going to stop them this year from going to the Super Bowl. So, let's get ready for our picks. Oh, and my prediction for this game is 21-28. 21-28. Let's get ready for our picks. I'll see you guys there. So, my picks for this week are Bengals in the box, Packers in the box, Vikings in the box, and my upset pick are the Falcons in the box. So, I'm going to talk about 2 players that I really hate, and the team, I really hate them with a burning passion, like all their players. So, this guy, right, his name is Marshawn Lynch. Ooh, he didn't want to talk to the media. Either he was too scared or too wimpy, but he stayed in his locker room and didn't talk. But who cares? We're going to shut him up when we beat him. Where he's not going to talk the whole year. Or never again. I don't care. But I hate him so much. So, now let's get to the retard. Richard Sherman. Yeah, I have to say this. I hate him like worse than I hate the whole team. I hate him with a burning passion. Oh, because he made fun or talked crap after the NFC Championship to Michael Crabtree. Yeah, ooh, I hate him, like I said. So, Michael Crabtree better step it up. Catch all the balls in front of him. Make him shut up. And then, after the game is over, did what Richard Sherman did to Michael Crabtree, talk crap in his face after the game. Give him a taste of his own medicine. So, I hope you and your families have a great Thanksgiving. I hope you guys enjoy the game. I'm definitely not going to enjoy the game because I'm going to wait for the last one and probably be crapping it during the whole game. Also, like, subscribe, favorite, share. Go Niners! Also, I'm going to leave you with this. Who got it better than us?